Ang nagiging problem ko noon is yung phone ko is laging nakabukas. So, prone siya sa overheating and lalo na tirik yung araw lagi. And then, yun nga, nadidrain yung battery. Right now, wala akong naka-install na USB cable for charging my phone. Kasi I don't think it's really a good idea na laging nakabukas yung phone mo while it's charging. So, to help my phone protect its battery life, naging effective tong Chigi. Bukod doon, more convenient, less hassle. At saka on the go eh. Hindi ko na kailangan, kunwari galing ako parking, hindi ko na kailangan ikabit pa dito, tatanggalin. Minsan, may chance pa, yung iba kong kasama nakakaiwan ng phone, which is not really good. With this one, na-prevent yung mga ganong stuff na yun. I mainly use the Chigi AIO5 Lite sa pag-navigate ko and very useful siya in terms of pag long ride ko. I have a always on na display. So hindi niya kino-consume yung battery ng phone ko. And kahit since directly connected to sa battery, all throughout the ride, nakabukas lang siya and I have active navigation and as well as good little features tulad ng pagpalit ng music. And then sometimes pag may nagpo-call, I can easily see kung sino yung tumatawag. For day-to-day rides, minsan kasi meron akong side hassles and I go to different locations. So, yun nga, given na meron akong active navigation, it's easy to see. Bukod doon, yung blind spot detection, given that I usually ride in the metro, I can easily see if there's someone behind me. Gusto kong gamitin lagi yung kanyang rear view camera and it acts as my rear view mirror. So, kunwari, pag may traffic light, makikita ko kung may approaching vehicle na mabilis or kaya parang it's kind of an emergency, I can easily spot here without me having to lean back kasi that would be weird na ganun ako sa traffic light. So yeah, it's very useful lalo na for Metro Manila use or even long ride use. Thankfully, di pa naman kailangan ng Sentry mode but you know, kapag umaalis ako, iniiwan ko yung bike, I have the peace of mind na at least meron akong footage or evidence in case na may mangyari sa motor. Pero luckily enough, wala pa namang nangyayaring ganun. You know, it helps with your peace of mind na pwede mo pa rin namang iwan yung motor na without you having to constantly worry about. Well, itong bike ko kasi, this is the Z900 RS, so very barely tech inside it. Parang traction control, ABS lang. So, napaka-helpful nung TPMS kasi you know, bawas oras sa pagche-check Lalo na pag may long ride ka, check mo pa lahat. So ito, I can easily check if yung tires ko is in the optimal tire pressure. So, okay siya, very convenient din. And then, even if long rides, kasi minsan di mo na makikita, yung pala may tusok na yung gulong mo, makikita mo pababa na yung tire pressure. And then, if na-reach niya yung pinakamababang tire pressure na sinet mo, mag-a-alarm na siya or mag-beep. So, you would be aware. And with that case, may iwasan yung aksidente or any other makakaabala sa ride nyo. So sometimes, I use the front camera for my content as well kasi I also do content for motorcycles. Yung front, it's good enough. Meron siyang 1080p quality. But yung likod, it's the one that is really useful for me kasi yun nga, like I said, I use it as my rear view mirror all the time. So, even at expressways, ginagamit ko siya alongside blind spot detection. Yung rear view camera, it's really helpful. Ang laking naging part nung cameras sa pag-ride ko in terms of convenience and, you know, added safety. If you travel a lot and if you use your bike daily then, I highly recommend this because it's for your added safety. And then it's for your convenience na rin. Kasi like I said, it's for your navigation. And then if mahilig ka sa music, you can easily control it here. And if gusto mo pa, alam ko meron silang remote na you can buy. But again, for me, ito, sapat na to. And yes, it's been really helpful for me kahit long rides. Add ko lang, if mahilig ka maging spearhead ng mga rides, this is going to be convenient for you kasi you can have your easy or passive navigation. Yeah, if navigating is your thing as well and you want safety, then I fully recommend Chigi.